Hi everyone, it's Ali and welcome back to the Heffy Doodle YouTube channel. Today I've got another cute interactive card for you. This one's a jitterbug card with a really cute jittering ladybug that's actually on a wobbler element. And I'm going to show you how to customise some sentiments today with your Heffy Doodle products. So I'm just using the Big Bug Hug set and grabbing some of the toadstools, grass and the ladybug from there, and also the larger toadstool from the No Matter What set. I'm just going to stamp those out a couple of times in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I've also used the Stitched Alphabeters die to cut out the word Jitter. Now I'm going to use my reds just to colour in my images. It was fairly easy colouring today. It was just really the reds, sea greys and some greens just for the little tufts of grass as well. So yeah, it was quite quick to colour all those images in. I'm using my Circles of Life stencil, which is one of my favourite stencils actually. It suits so many different types of cards and I love that radiating sort of central circle with the dots coming outwards. And I'm going to use my Lucky Clover Distress Oxide ink first, which is my darkest green, just to do the centre part. Then I've got Cracked Pistachio next. And I'm just bringing that out from the darker green and merging those a little bit. And then I've got Mowed Lawn, which is my lightest colour, so I'm just trying to blend them a little bit as I go. You don't have to be perfect with your stencil blending because it tends to camouflage any kind of errors as well. It's another reason why I love stencils for the backgrounds. So just peeling that off. And then I'm going to cut that piece down using one of my Stitched Circles dies, which is an amazing set. It's got so many dies in it and the circles are just really large to really quite tiny. And then I'm using my straight edge from my Stitched Slopey Joes. Then I was just working out where I wanted my pieces to go and putting them on. I've grabbed a wobbler just to stick behind the ladybug. I'm just making sure that it doesn't show, and I did have to trim it down just a little so that it didn't show behind the ladybug. Then I'm going to adhere on the wobbler, and I have put my sentiments in place. I haven't adhered them yet. And then I'm going to use my T ruler just to make sure I get my letters straight, and then my jitter letters, and I just start from the last letter because I know where I need that to go and work backwards like so. So they're all stuck on, just adhering on my other sentiment, which I've stamped out and white embossed on black card. Now I'm going to use my Interactively Yours stamps just to show the recipient that the little ladybug moves. So I put the I move stamp there, and then I'm just putting that little swirly arrow as well as a bit of a hint. And there you go. So quite a quick and easy card, and shows you how you can use your Stitched Alphabeters to customise your cards as well. So thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again in the next video, and here's some more videos that you might enjoy watching.